Jamaicans, what is the excitement about China? Exactly what do they have that we should want? The dogs that they eat? The smog because they cut down all their trees? The love of counterfeit merchandise? Why should Jamaica embrace China to destroying the Cockpit country? Did you know 40% of Jamaica's water source comes from the Cockpit country? Jamaicans don't want Chinese smog. Misery loves company. Jamaica will keep the beautiful Cockpit country. China can keep their dirty water. If you want to stop Chinese mining and care about the Cockpit country, visit savecockpitcountry.org.